Delhi, a city with powerful historic traditions, a city of influences, of magnificent monuments dominating the skyline, a city that's 100 years old, a city that evokes the nostalgia of history and the grit of our democracy. This Republic Day, the imposing sandstone edifice of Rashtrapati Bhavan, the iconic building that has stood witness as a young nation made history. And today it plays host to perhaps some of its youngest visitors.
Very excited.
A bit nervous.
मुझे कभी वो नहीं हुआ था कि मैं आऊंगी.
पहले कभी नहीं आई और मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है प्रेसिडेंट से मिलने की.
वो पहले टीवी पे देखा इतनी दूर से, आज इतने पास से देखेंगे.
All here to commemorate the day India became a sovereign state. A day at the Rashtrapati Bhavan with the President of India.
पहली बार आज मिला हूँ मैं प्रेसिडेंट से मैं, क्योंकि बहुत मुझको खुशी है.
I'm gonna really cherish it forever.
Their curious eyes look around, wanting to soak in every moment. They come from different corners of the country. Their aspirations, dreams, struggles, all reflected in their own unique idea of India. Amidst the splendor and grandeur of Ashoka Hall, India's future is face to face with India's president. And questions, well, they're simply tumbling out.
For the first time meeting the President of India, I have a lot of questions in my mind, a lot of doubts. Really want to ask her a lot of things.
They bring with them cards and letters and experiences of life so far. They are eager to know more about her flight in a Sukhoi, her Vision 2020, and most importantly, about breaking the gender barrier.
You're not nervous?
No.
Hello children, how are you? A very good morning to all of you. So you have come from which place?
I'm Saki, Banitasha Saki.
Oh, good. क्या पढ़ना चाह रही हो? डॉक्टर, बहुत अच्छी बात है. तो बहुत पैसा कमाओगी या गरीबों को मुफ्त में दोगी दवा?
कब आओगे?
स्कूल कब आओगे? It's a big question. आपने इनवाइट किया है तो आ जाएंगे. खूब पढ़ना, खूब पढ़ना है. हाँ, ऐसे जीवन में भी बहुत ऊंचा चढ़ना है आपको, है ना? अच्छे काम करना है. मणिपुर, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Oh, good, good, good. All the best to all. All the best to all of you.
Hello and welcome to this Republic Day special. We are calling it All the President's Children. India today is a proud 62-year-old republic, or should we say young republic. On this very important and momentous day, we are with India's young, India's future. They come from different parts of the country and they're all here to pose their questions to the President, Pratibha Patil. We are also truly privileged to be here at the Ashoka Hall in Rashtrapati Bhavan as the capital completes its centenary. Yes, it's going to be a unique interaction over the next 60 minutes as these children get to be one-on-one with their president. Thank you very much, Madam President, for agreeing to host us at the Ashoka Hall. I'm sure Ashoka Hall hasn't really played host to such young kids before. Let me take the first question from a young girl who's actually very true to her name. Her name is Beauty. Pehla sawal.
मैम, आप भारत की प्रथम महिला राष्ट्रपति होने पर कैसा महसूस करती हैं?
मैं समझती हूँ कि ये महिलाओं का गौरव है, ये महिलाओं का महत्व, उनका क्या रोल है सोसाइटी में ये जाना गया है, उसका रिकग्निशन है. और ये बात तो सही है कि पहली प्रेसिडेंट होने का मान मिला, ये बहुत इंडीड बहुत सम्मान की बात है।
Madam, was it ever about breaking the gender barrier when you got to know of the news that you would be the next president of India?
I didn't expect that. I thought that, oh, this is such a great responsibility now coming to me and what I should do. And then at that time I decided that this is a great honor, not only to me, but the women of India. And I must serve the country with utmost loyalty, sincerity, and hard work.
Since we've concentrated too much on women at the first, I think I'll give the second question also to a young girl. Go ahead.
Ma'am, it is a moment of pride for the women of the country to see the First Lady President of India receiving a salute from the Inter-Services Guard of Honor at the forecourt of Rashtrapati Bhavan. How was your journey, ma'am, from being the First Lady Governor of Rajasthan to the First Lady President of India?
As I said, this is a great honor done to the womanhood of India. But then when it comes to performing your duties, it's not question of a man or a woman. You are the head of the state and you have to discharge all your responsibility as any head of the state is supposed to do that. And therefore, I took all those responsibilities to see that even as the Supreme Commander of our three forces, I perform my duties which are befitting those responsibilities.
Okay, the next question is from Anu. Go ahead.
मैम, राष्ट्रपति बनने के बाद आपको देश में कौन सी चीज़ पसंद आई और कौन सी चीज़ नापसंद आई?
मुझे ये चीज़ बहुत पसंद आई कि मैं यहाँ आने के बाद देश के अलग अलग हिस्से में जाके और मैं सबसे बात करती हूँ, मैं मिलती हूँ, मैं हमारे भाइयों से मिलती हूँ, बहनों से मिलती हूँ, बच्चों से मिलती हूँ और सब लोगों से मिलने का मौका मिलता है। उनकी क्या समस्याएं हैं, वो क्या चाहते हैं, वो सब जानने का मौका मिलता है। कुछ इंटरेक्शन हो सकती है उनसे, तो पूरे देश से हमारा संपर्क बन जाता है। ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। और अच्छा नहीं लगता है वो ये है कि टाइट सिक्योरिटी, बहुत टाइट सिक्योरिटी होती है तो थोड़ा सा ऐसे लगता है कि इतनी ना हो तो अच्छा है, मगर वो तो उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, उनकी जिम्मेदारी है, वो तो करेंगे ही, तो उसके बारे में अब हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते।
Let's take the next question. I think the next question is from Dhairya. Yes, you have a mic. Go ahead.
Ma'am, first of all, it's an honor to meet you. And my question to you is, have you ever felt a little helpless about your position as a nominal head of the state?
It is, you see, a constitutional post, and all the duties, responsibilities and functions go along with that. So you have to perform that with all due care and attention. So there is no question of feeling a sort that you have said, but then you see, one can always do justice to the responsibility and the post to which one is called upon to perform.
And yes, the Constitution does provide for separation of powers. So she's the head of state, and we have a Prime Minister who takes care of the federal government. As we told you, Madam President, we have a whole lot of questions, not just from students here, but also from students all over the country. This next batch of students are from Chandigarh and